Rosie Couture, ROZIE_couture, KATORE, on IG and on Facebook.
Welcome back to my channel. My hair is different. Hey. So I'm gonna be spilling the tea on my hair because everybody keeps asking me. I've always said what it was, but I see a lot of people don't pay attention. So shout out to @official Ishow hair on Instagram, and I'm gonna put their link down below for this hair. Okay, so they gave me a 22-inch wig, 22-inch wig, and I got it done. So it doesn't look like a wig. That's probably why y'all confused, but it's a wig. This is blonde, well, like honey blonde, and the wig is black, jet black. So I just want to shout out Ishow hair. Thank you so much for the hair. Let you guys see it. Bouncy, beautiful. I mean, I love it. Like, I always love when I get new hair. It looks really fresh, really new. And then the edges, I also took a video when I first got it done, which was yesterday. So my hair is still fresh and new. You guys see it looks like my scalp. And then also on the other side, looks like a scalp. I could put it up in a ponytail, 2 ponytails, as you guys can see. Yeah, so I just want to shout out official Ishow hair. Comment down below what hairstyle you think I should try next. If you think I should go like further blonde, because the blonde is only right here. If you think I should like do the whole entire hair blonde, not the whole entire hair, maybe like blonde at the bottom, let me know down below. And yeah, this is a wig. It's a lace front wig to be exact. A lot of y'all be getting confused. Y'all know you could change if you know what, guys, the thing about wigs, you can always change your hair. Like, you could change your hair within minutes with a wig. Like, you can change from short to long to straight to curly. A wig, like, there's different wigs you just put on your head. That's one hairstyle. Take it off, put another wig on. That's 2 hairstyles. Like, y'all get so confused because I'm like, oh, it's a wig, and y'all don't believe me. So the only way y'all would probably believe me is if I showed myself getting my hair done. Let me come closer. Ooh, your girl is popping. Like, I have a video that I made and I want to post it because it's so cute. Because my hair is cute. Like, I gotta make sure I keep my hair done. I miss my short hair, but I want to do like a curly short hair next. That's my baby right there. Like, short hair is my baby. But if you guys like my hair, ooh, swag. If you guys like my hair, comment down below, give it a thumbs up, give me some hair suggestions because I do listen. As long as they're not like a colorful hairstyle, then I don't want to do any colorful. I do want to do like some type of, never mind, I don't want to share my, people be stealing, whatever. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, girl. Bye. Thanks for watching.